Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your US bank card to your PayPal wallet. The first thing I want you to do is just launch your US bank app. Come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines to access the menu. From here, I want you to click on Manage Cards. I want you to go ahead and click on the card that you want to add to your PayPal wallet. Then I want you to scroll down here until you see Add to Digital Wallets under Pay Your Way. So click on this, and then I want you to go ahead and select PayPal from the available wallets. Click here on Add Card, and then I want you to click here on Agree and Continue. We're basically authorizing this. And then I want you to click here on Continue. You'll see your mobile number that they'll be using for a verification code. Click on Continue, then enter the verification code that they send you to your mobile number. It's 6 digits. Enter that right here, and then click on Continue. Now you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account, enter your email or phone number, enter your password right here, and then I want you to go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, I want you to click on Agree and Continue to go ahead and authorize this connection. And as you can see, we have linked an account to PayPal, and I can set this card as your preferred way to pay. So click here, and then I want you to just choose your credit card as a preferred way to pay. You can also use your debit card as well. Just click on Continue, and as you can see, we're done. And that is how to add your US bank card to PayPal wallet. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Logged. See you in the next one.